How a girl who hated a normal job paying $36,000 per year, who quits her normal job to start freelancing and now is earning $378,000 per year. Let us go through her life story and understand why she had to quit her job and start freelancing. Stay tuned so that you can learn about her journey and tip that she has to give in order to achieve the same level of success that she already have. Hello everyone, my name is Faiz and I'm the founder of Inshaan Corporation, and you are watching Successful Freelancer Series Part 1, which is about Alexandra Fasulo. If you are into freelancing space, I am sure you must have heard about her. She was covered by CNBC. She was also covered by Stephen Graham. She was also on one of the episode on Inshaan Sharma's YouTube channel, and there are a lot of information about her on the internet, and I'm pretty sure if you're into freelancing space you must have heard about her. If you didn't came across her, then this is a perfect video for you, and I will be explaining a lot about her in this video and what are the tips that she has to give to people who are starting freelancing. Before starting this story, I would like to quote Lao Tzu: "The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step," and that's what Alex did in our case. She steps towards the right direction according to her, and that made all the difference in her journey. Before starting into tips, let us understand why she took that first important step. Let me tell you something about her. She's a freelance content writer. She writes ebooks and other kind of content on Fiverr. Before freelancing, she actually grew up in a farm near Albany. She had a job paying her $36,000 per year. So she was not satisfied with the work. She had to quit after 4 weeks and started freelancing. She went on to Fiverr and uploaded her gig. So there is some interesting fact that when she had to quit her job and start freelancing, she only had 3 months of support with her. After quitting her job, she started as a content writer on freelancers. Initially, she wrote press releases, blog posts, editing content, and she did a lot of other stuff in the starting of her journey. After seeing this, a Fiverr Pro approached her for the Fiverr Pro membership, and after she achieved Fiverr Pro membership, things took a different turn. After that point of time, she started earning more and more. Let me give you some data around that. In 2017, she was earning $67,000 per year. In 2018, she was earning $273,000 per year. As everybody knows that after COVID, the situation of freelancing changes on different level, and after COVID, she hit a mark of $300,000 per year. Now coming to the tips. So these are the tips that she had to give for freelancers, and this tips has been collected from over the internet from various videos that she had uploaded or she had collaborated with different person. So the tips are: raise your price very smartly, be very smart about your pricing, because if you don't match up to the competitor's price, then you won't be getting any lead. Take your customers feedback in a very positive way, because at the end customers feedback matter, and take customers feedback very positively and improve your skills as per the customer feedback. Focus on retaining customers, offering them discounted rates so that they can come to you again and again, and they can also provide you some other gigs, and they can also refer to you to their friends if they liked your service, and that's a huge game changer in freelancing. And this cycle will so go on. As you are the solopreneur in this journey, have very strong work ethic. Don't try to compromise with your service, or don't try to compromise with your own time efficiency that you're putting into this. And the most important one is do what you love. If everyone around you is doing content writing but you love video editing, then there's no point of you jumping into content writing, because you see that they are getting paid for that. You have to do your own thing and do what you love. Now if you're uploading your gigs on Fiverr, be very professional about your gigs that you're uploading. We'll also be doing one specific video about how to achieve success on Fiverr or any other freelancing platform, so stay tuned to watch that as well. Study your competitors, what are they uploading, how much price they are putting up, and what are description, what are the SEO techniques, and what are the keywords that they are using in their profile. Use the thumbnail properly. So when you're starting, be very professional about your gigs and upload the things that you want others to see, like your portfolios, like your work that you have done for other clients. And the last tip that's here to give is just start. The first step is all you need to take. You don't have to think much before taking the first step. Just take the first step and everything will make sense in the longer period of time. See, in multiple videos I saw that she pinpointed this thing that you need to start in order to grow, and I agree with that. She had achieved so much in her life. She was, as I have mentioned before, she was covered by CNBC. She is earning more than 3 crores per year. She was covered by Graham Stephen, and she's putting the stress on just starting. So just start. Don't think too much before starting. Just start. Study your competitors around you and the gigs and the keywords that they're uploading and the kind of work that you love to do. Just focus on that and just start. And if you're confused about how to do it, you can join in the Discord link down below and you can talk to us. We will talk to you. We have a great community of freelancers, and we also aggregate a lot of gigs from different other platform and then display it to you. You can join in, have that lead as well, and grow your freelancing journey. Just to tell you once more that the first step is the most important step. So yeah, that's it from my side. I hope you liked her story. I hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up, comment down below if you have anything, subscribe to the channel. I like to say that please join our Discord channel, come talk to us, and then we will have a nice chat about how to start your journey. That's it from my side. Thank you guys, have a great day.